Before we delve into the farm to fork journey, let's talk about why clean eating is so essential. Clean eating isn't just a trend. It's a lifestyle that promotes overall health and well-being. By choosing whole, unprocessed foods, we nourish our bodies with the nutrients they need to thrive. Now, let's take a closer look at where it all begins, the farm. From the sprawling fields to the hard-working farmers, agriculture plays a crucial role in our food journey. We'll explore sustainable farming practices, organic cultivation, and how these methods contribute to the quality of the food we eat. A local farmer committed to sustainable and organic farming. We discuss the challenges they face, the rewards of their labor, and how connecting with local farmers can enhance our appreciation for the food on our tables. For those looking to get closer to the source, farmers markets and community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs provide direct access to fresh, seasonal produce. Join me as we navigate through a vibrant farmers market, discovering unique and locally sourced ingredients. Now, let's bring the farm to our kitchen. I'll share some easy and delicious recipes using farm-fresh ingredients. We'll create a mouth-watering dish together, highlighting the flavors that come from clean and healthy eating. Clean eating isn't just about taste, it also brings a myriad of health benefits. From improved digestion to enhanced energy levels, the positive impact on our well-being is undeniable. I'll break down some of the key advantages of adopting a clean and healthy eating lifestyle. Transitioning to clean eating might seem daunting, but fear not. I'll provide practical tips to make the shift easier. From meal planning to mindful grocery shopping, these strategies will help you embrace clean eating with confidence. And there you have it, our journey from farm to fork, exploring the pleasures of clean and healthy eating. I hope this episode has inspired you to make conscious choices about the food you consume. Remember, every bite is a step towards a healthier and happier you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, happy and healthy eating. Thank you all for joining me on this culinary adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.